the economists used to apply the techniques, but they don't know what techniques they need to apply. So the first person who applied econometrics is Powell Champa. He used this particular technique to analyze the economic theories. When we talk about econometrics, we basically talk about establishing the econometric theory or economic theories, because in economics there are various theories like demand and supply theories, there are consumption theories, there are income theories, there are rent theories there, and there are lots of variables associated with it. So people used to, or the researcher used to establish the relationship between these variables. What are the parameters we need to study and how we are going to analyze this thing. So Powell was the first person who used econometrics for studying the economic theory. But the term which we, or the subject which we see nowadays, as the credit goes to Rager Fish. He was the first person who used this particular term and established the subject also. Rager Fish and Jan Tinbergen were the called the fathers of this particular subject, and they got Nobel Prize in 1969 for this particular subject also. They have developed the dynamic model, which you're going to study later on, and it is widely used in econometric modeling. So they established the dynamic models, and they got Nobel Prize for that particular concept. So now coming to what econometrics all about. I have already mentioned that in my introduction, I have already mentioned that it is a subject of economics. So people who are from economic background, they have already learned that in their graduation level also, as well as in the post-graduation also. But people from other domains, suppose management, commerce, engineering background people, they didn't learn this particular subject because we do not have this as a main subject in our course curriculum. So we don't know how to use this subject or how to apply this subject for a research purpose. For this purposes, different faculty development programs or workshops are conducted by various institutes so that people from other domain also able to learn this concept. So econometrics, as I mentioned, it is a subject of economics. So we have to establish the relationship which is already existing, or with the theories which are already developed by the economist. We need to establish the relationship. How are we going to establish the relationship? For that particular purpose, we are using statistical or mathematical tools. So suppose we want to study relationship between consumption and income, how the income level is going to affect the consumption level of a person. What we have to do? We have to apply a regression analysis. So for that particular theory is propounded by Keynes. It is known as consumption theory, Keynesian consumption theory. It is a basic economic theory, but we have to establish the relationship. We have to check and test whether the hypothesis is correct or not, whether there is a relationship between income and consumption or not. That we're going to do with the help of mathematical and statistical tools. So econometrics is basically the science and art of using economic data to measure the empirical validity of the economic theory. As I said, we have using the economic theory, Keynesian consumption theory. There are two variables in it, consumption and income. It says that consumption is related to income. If our income increases, consumption increases. So this particular theory, we are going to use it for our example purpose. And this theory is going to be validated with the help of mathematical and statistical tool. So economists basically used to apply econometrics for establishing the validity, whether the phenomena, whether the wisdom, whether the hypothesis of a particular theory they are testing is actually existing or not, whether they are related to that particular thing or not. So economists basically use this economic theories. While you talk about finance, in finance also we used to apply financial economic theory, or we simply use the asset pricing models to test whether the proposition propounded by the theorist is actually existing or not with the help of these econometric tools. So econometric basically include both mathematical as well as the statistical tool. As you go on with the differentiation, you're able to understand what is a mathematical tool and what is the difference between a statistical tool, and what is econometrics, how econometric is different from mathematical tools and statistical tool. So with the passage of time during this 5 days workshop, you're able to understand what is the difference between these three tools. All the tools are based upon either mathematics or statistics, but there is some difference while we talk about the econometrics. So we can say that econometrics is the integration of economics, mathematical economics, and statistics with the objective to provide numerical values to the parameters of economic relationship. For our example, we are talking about consumption and income. Consumption and income are our parameters. We have to assign the numerical values to this. How are we going to assign the numerical values? With the help of regression equation, we are going to assign the numerical values. So we get the parameter values alpha plus beta. We get all the values when we apply some statistical tool. When we apply with the help of software, we get the parameters. And then we have to test whether our tools or whether our results are correct or not, matching our hypothesis or not. Another important thing